All right, time to look at the MUTUACTOR 2-pack superpower magnetic hooks. So these are rubber-coated hooks, so if we're putting extension cords or anything on here, we don't have to worry about it damaging them, so that's very nice. We also have some holes in the back, so if we wanted to, we just screw this thing to the wall and then use the magnets for something else. It is welded in 3 spots. So yeah, this looks like a good hook. There we go. So this is cool. I always like seeing this. They put this plastic spacer block in between them so we don't have to worry about them crashing into each other during shipping. So that's nice. Got washers. We got lock washers, and we got nuts. So looking on here, we got a nice thick ring of magnets on here. So these are very strong neodymium magnets. So each one of these magnets is very strong, but all of these in one ring like that is going to make it so this can hold up quite a bit of weight. And one thing I do like to see is they actually use a nice big stud. So this is going to go into the larger hole. Then we use a washer, lock washer, and the nut. And then tighten that guy up. Cool. So that is on there nice and tight. So there we go. I do like seeing that nice large surface on there and these long hooks. So we're going to be able to put on whatever the heck we want to on here. We could put on a couple of hammers and have them spaced out. I usually use this style for extension cords, so it'll keep everything kind of separated and even. But you can use this for whatever you want. With a nice strong magnet like that on the back, this is going to be able to hold up whatever you want to put on it. Yeah, those things are pretty great. So as long as you got a nice metal toolbox or an I-beam or something like that somewhere, that allows you to really customize it however the heck you want it. Unlike some plywood or something where you have to screw it in and every time you have to redo it, you have to unscrew it and you got a bunch of holes. This, you can just move around willy-nilly however the heck you want it. So that's pretty cool.